For my good friends over there at Hermosa Hair. We have worked with them many times in the past, and y'all know that's how we do human hair on this channel. We will try a company 2 or 3 times and make sure we like them, and if we do, we add them to our rotation. And Hermosa Hair has definitely stood the test of time. If you look in the description box, you will see a direct link to this wig, all the details that I'm probably about to butcher. To show you how long I've been wearing Hermosa Hair, I remember them when their packaging was black. I remember them when their packaging was pink, green, and now it's this pretty purple color. I don't know what's in here because all I did was take it out of the shipping packaging because I like to do everything with y'all, okay? So not only did they send this wig that I can tell is kinky straight, that's gonna be pretty, they also included some stocking caps. What else is in here? An edge band with their name on it and some eyelashes, okay? And it comes in this pretty silk storage case. Y'all don't care about that stuff. Y'all care about the details of this wig. So this wig is 22 inches long. It's 220 density. And it's kinky straight. Y'all, it's hot. It's hot. So this hair is about to be hot. But it's really pretty, y'all. Look at that. Look how pretty. It's definitely 220 density too. All right, so as far as cap construction goes, you get, this looks like a 13x4 or a 6, but like I said, looking at the description box and you'll see, you get a comb up here to the right, a comb on the crown, a comb to the left, and then in the back you get a comb and adjustable straps, and they've sewn in an adjustable strap so you can make the wig tighter or looser on your head. Yeah, that's definitely 220 density. Lord have mercy. Before I cut off the lace, let's look at it. Y'all look. That looks pretty good, huh? And because you get all that parting space, you can part this wherever you want. You can do some half up, half downs. You know, you can just have a whole little party on your head. Okay. It's really pretty. And what did I say, 22 inches? Yeah, 22 inches long. I'm 5'5". Very, very pretty. All right, so let's cut off this lace. I'm gonna do all that moving around and flip it, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Be right back. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you said to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away. You're still right next to you. You. right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this unit, and y'all, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. It's also affordable. This is a unit that if you are a beginner like me, and I've been wearing wigs for 5, 6, 7 years, but y'all know I can't comb hair, so I always say I'm a beginner. If you're a beginner like me, this wig is so easy to style. No glue, no plucking, none of that. All that's been done for you. All you gotta do is throw it up on your head and attempt to swoop some baby hairs. That's what I did. Y'all know I'm really not a baby hair person, but they were so long, I said, why not? And I put a little bit of powder up there, and this is what we got. This wig is gorgeous. The other thing is this is 220 density. I ran my flat iron through it, and even after running my flat iron through it, it's still pretty big. So if you like full hair, I definitely recommend that you get this at that 220 density. However, I really think that this would be beautiful because it's kinky straight at a 150 or 180 density. All in all, Hermosa knocked this one out of the park. I give them a 10 out of 10, and I definitely recommend this one. If you look at the description box, like I said, you see a direct link to this wig, all the details, all that jazz. Like I would say, maybe you're not into wigs. I don't know, maybe it's your auntie Hermenia, maybe it's your Uncle Herman, whichever one. Send to me and Hermosa hair if they're looking for some human hair, and we can find a unit that they will absolutely love. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.